First of all, if you're using Samsung or any other devices that doesn't come with a stock Android, you can have Launcher, which is even better because it has more options like removing the Google search bar too to get this look. Now I'm not using it because my phone will not allow swipe gestures then, so yeah. Anyway, this is a pretty simple and very functional setup. And yeah, if anyone asking for these wallpapers that I'm using in this setup, I will put a link down below. Just like this video if you really want to say thank you. So what's here? Now the first one is the battery widget. For that you need the battery widget ribbon. Then add the first widget ribbon widget and then put it on the home screen and then resize it how you want. And in customization, there are tons of options. Like you can make the battery ring change its color according to the battery level. You can even change the thickness of it. Then there is the secondary line to show how much battery drained. You can customize that too. And yeah, I have said the one-click action to widget customization so that I can change it according to my wallpaper easily. You can set it to some other actions available here. Now, let's see what the second widget does. It's actually the most helpful widget for me for a very long time and I still love it. This widget is actually dynamic and it changes over time according to your usage. Well, it shows more than 25 of your most used apps and there is a variety of ways you can do it. I mean, it can be as small as one app icon, but the coolest part is you can still scroll between these favorite apps even then. But for the first few days, the recommendation will not be perfect, but after a week of usage, it will be so perfect. And the app name is App Usage, which is a very useful app to see app usage over time in a detailed manner. You can explore the app on your own, you will love it. All these apps are free and ad supported, and I'm gonna make an iOS home screen setup soon. So yeah, a lot more interesting contents that are coming soon. Please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.